Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then find the battery. As you can see, the battery percentage option is available right here, and we've got three different options from which we can choose. For example, inside the battery icon, which I've got currently applied, do not show, which simply means that we will have only the battery indicator, and next to the battery icon, however, it will be displayed next to the battery icon only when you will unroll the control panel or the notification. So as you can see right now, it is next to the battery icon, but here in the regular using mode we've got it inside the battery icon. So it's up to you which option you'd like to use. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.